How to find transactions on Varagesale. Hello friends, welcome once again to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be putting you through on how you can find your transactions on Varagesale. So if this is your question, just sit back, watch to the end so that you would not miss any important information. So what do you do first? The first step is to sign in into your account, that is your Varagesale account, just like I have done here. Alright, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you're brought to the home page where you'd see a variety of items that you can get on Varagesale. Okay. So as you can see this, the next step is to move to the lower part of the screen where you can see options like home icons, like home, notification, posts, inbox, and then your profile icon by the lower right corner. Once you can see this, the next step is to click on your profile icon. After clicking on that, you'll be brought to your profiles page. Right on this page, you'll see your picture, you'll see your name, then you'll see my stuff, and then below that you'll see my transactions. Just go ahead and click on that, and then once you click on my transactions, you will see all of your transactions here. Your transactions can be divided into two, or will be divided into two, just like mine here, current and past. So you can just check through them and then you're going to find them. It's very easy. Like I said, the first step, sign in into your Varagesale account. Once you've signed in, click on your profile icon. On the profiles page, go ahead and click on my transactions and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day.